Dude, sometimes you guys send me absolutely unreal things to the P.O. box. Taz, I'm sorry if I butchered your name. Dude, he sent me an EF hatch because it's impossible to find these EGs in Hot Wheels. But he literally, I don't know how you got this thing out of the package and back in without like completely destroying it. Dude, I don't know if the camera can pick it up. He hand painted it so the reds don't match. That's hilarious, dude. Right here where the fenders are, the reds are a completely different color. That's awesome. And of course it's in today's video where we're finally solving that issue. Yo, and then Carlos, dude, this is so cool. Jasmine over top of a little rice bowl, dude. Come on, this is one of the coolest stickers that someone has ever sent me, dude. This is so cool. Those of you guys that don't understand, when we had the EG budget build, it was just like a budget build. I called the build like a rice build. But then I was like, yo, we're getting better rice this time. We're doing EG Hatch 2.0. So I call it Jasmine because Jasmine's a good rice. Dude, a Jasmine rice bowl, man, this has got to go right on the back window. That is super tight. Thanks to both of you guys for sending stuff out. I love you guys. PO box is right here for anybody that ever wants to send anything out. It's also in the description of every video. Don't everybody start sending me stickers and stuff because I'm not going to cover my car in stickers. This was just like a one-off, super dope, I will 100% rock sticker. And then this boy, you guys will see this in another video. We're just going to put you over here for now. Also, if you guys didn't see yesterday's video, we put a new tack and a new radio in the dime. Just a couple minor mods for now, but we have some bigger stuff coming. I also saw in the last video, a couple of you guys commented and you said the clutch clock was super dope. We actually turned my old motor into a bunch of things like this shelf, this clock. I basically turned the whole thing into like different household items. So I'll put a link to that video right here for those of you guys that haven't seen it. When this one is over, go check it out. Anyways, yesterday we had an amazing thing happen to us. Kind of ended with my camera not being in the exact shape that it used to be in, but shit happens. It has been such a long time we've waited to get this. I've literally been waiting to get a wide body kit for this thing. It's probably been 2 months. But let's just, actually we're gonna backtrack. I was gonna sell these and I posted a thing about these being for sale and then I changed my mind. I'm gonna give these away. So a lot of you guys said that you would like these, and these oddly enough, they fit like a lot of shit. Like I got them to fit on the BRZ, on the 240, like I didn't put them on, but when you hold them up, they're the right shape. They don't look bad. You just have to be in the mood for something super, super aggressive. Anyways, I started with those, which I'll be giving away in the next merch drop, so just stay tuned, listen to that. Follow me on Instagram, follow the Committed Crew on Instagram. I'll just kind of keep you guys up to date on both those things. And I wanted to use the wing we have. So we have like a massive wing and we have a huge rear diffuser and stuff. I wanted to keep my rear end separately, so I started scrolling around looking for like just bits and pieces of things that I could mash together. I think the biggest thing too is I needed something affordable so that I could afford to buy the kit, get it on the car, pay for customs and shit because I live in Canada, get it on the car and be able to keep making videos for you guys. So I stumbled upon Duraflex's website, a couple clicks, a credit card payment or two later, boom, baby. We have the full kit, showed up, took a couple weeks. But I could not be more excited to get Jasmine back on the road. As soon as we do this, we can dip it. We can just start going nuts with this car again. We have a lot that's still waiting to go on this car. So we've literally just been in limbo for so long. And I'm so excited to open this. Look, we can't talk anymore, boys. We need to open this bitch up. Even included like the little grill mesh. I don't know if everybody does that. I've never ordered a body kit before in my life, like a full kit. So I don't know if this is a common thing, but this is dope. I totally thought I was gonna have to make something for this. It's just on little duotang clips. What the hell are these? These guys robbed a bunch of duotangs for this? Hey, this looks so good. It looks funny on the ground. We gotta open the rest of it up. That way you guys can see the whole vision. I'm so excited. Aside from the freaking mess that this thing left all over my garage, I'm gonna be straight up honest with you guys. One of these fenders is a little bit damaged. I really don't think it has anything to do with Duraflex because why would they send me a piece that was damaged? I'm almost 100% certain it was the same guy that kicked my camera off the back of the truck and like was throwing shit around like a madman. It is what it is. I'm not gonna complain about it. I already mentioned to them, I'm sure they're gonna be right on top of this trying to make sure that this gets fixed, so I'm not worried about it. I can't wait to get this on, man. Look at this. All right, we gotta put this rear one on and make sure that it fits. Not that it fits, but okay, how are we gonna do this here? When we first cut these rear fenders, we welded them and everything. Like we did a very proper rust repair. But the issue is we did it for the other fenders that were supposed to go on here, the ones I just said I'm gonna give away. The most important part to me is seeing if this is gonna line up, because if not, I have to spend another day redoing all this shit. From first look, it looks like I'm gonna have to do it again. This looks a little bit funny because this piece needs, like it's not fitting properly in the back, so to get this to push up, you're kind of really torquing it and it fits a little bit weird, but when it's on there, these are gonna line up nicely. It's just this is stopping it from sitting in there. Like at a first glimpse, it looks like everything's lining up pretty good. We got the corner light cut out, gas door. Like I said, I gotta take care of this. This is my doing that it's not sliding in there. I could probably just even cut a chunk out of it. Well, then you'll still see it. And then once that's fixed, this should go in, which lines up that, and this. And at one point, we did something really stupid apparently, and this piece of the fender is like pulled out. So this won't slide in past it. All I gotta do is beat it in with a hammer, but it'll probably be cut out anyways, so I'm not super concerned with it. But yo, we're getting a first glance at what this thing looks like, and it looks so good. It's hard to show the bumper because the bumper's kind of sit on the floor, but so hot. Also, you guys know my channel is as honest as it gets. I don't like to hide things from you. This is the crack that came on the kit. It's really not terrible, but it is the damaged part. When you pay a little bit less, you kind of have to expect to do a little bit more work yourself. But the whole front bumper setup is just gonna look so dope when it's on there. I can only get it that close without having to take the other bumper off, and like there's no holes to even put it up there to show you guys, so it would be kind of pointless. But like this thing is gonna be so sick when it's on there, boys. This is gonna be so nice. Look at that little side shot. And with our fitment right now, it's not even bad. We're gonna go a lot lower. I have actually, once I get this all on and mounted, I can dial in the and everything. So we're gonna have to paint this grill black. You guys will see the intercooler a lot more, which I know a lot of you guys hated about this bumper because I did not want to cut those pieces out, but you'll see the intercooler a lot better through that little mesh. It's gonna be a lot of work. I was actually, so today's Wednesday. I'm finally getting things rolling again, so I'm like pre-filming a bunch of stuff, hoping to get it on. Like I said, today's Wednesday. I was hoping to get it on by the weekend, and then we could start working on the color change this weekend, but I don't think that's gonna happen. It's gonna take a lot of work. I'm gonna have to get this panel fixed. I don't know how to fix fiberglass. I'm sure it's not too hard, but I've never done it before. But like, I cannot tell you how excited I am for this. Also, a couple quick questions for you guys. So the EG6, like the actual EG6 from Japan, would have had this little piece in here, and the kit's modeled after like an EG6. So should I leave it like this, which a lot of people do, where it has like this kind of like outsert and then this dips in, or should I get the insert that goes all the way across so that matches? And also, should I get a signal light for here like the JDM ones have, or should I just kind of fill that hole right in so you don't even see it? Both those things I'm not really sure what I want to do yet, so I guess your guys' opinion would be kind of cool to have. Here, let's see it with the wing. Where'd my tripod go? You're gonna look at it with the wing because I'm gonna be the wing stands. This won't be perfect, but I'm assuming it's gonna look something like this. Maybe lower. Maybe higher. From down here, I honestly can't really tell, but it's gonna be dope. And of course, we have this little diffuser, which is gonna go on here. I might do like a bumper cut right about here, kind of do some custom stuff in the back. I want it to be like really clean, really nice, but also like a little bit different than all the other ones. And by clean, I just mean clean. I don't mean like simple, because this thing's gonna be the riciest car I have. Once this thing's done, I promise you guys, it's gonna be super cool. It's gonna all tie into itself. It's gonna be so hot. This will be the loudest car I have as far as like visuals. The BRZ will be aggressive, but also really dope. And the S10 is just gonna be really clean, really nice. I can't get enough of it. So I was gonna actually start like working on this today. I was gonna start cutting these panels and stuff, but more importantly, because I can't do anything until I get this fixed, I think I might actually have to call this video a little bit early. I gotta prioritize getting that one fixed, because if that one's not fixed, then I can't really do very much else. Damn, man. That UPS, I wonder if UPS will cover something like that. He really messed this thing up. For like the third or fourth time already today, that thing just completely cut out in the middle of me recording and just like died. That's a bummer. I also purposefully bought these when I was buying these. I remember I made some for the rear, and then I bought these ones specifically because I know this is gonna get a completely new front bumper and stuff. So if you use those splitter rods on this right here, throw both those guys like right here or something, it should look super good. But I hope you guys are stoked. This was the main point, just to show you guys what we got, get you guys all hyped. And I was gonna start installing it literally tomorrow, which I guess I can still do. I just don't wanna put too much like tension on that spot and have it crack if I start like drilling it in and it doesn't wanna be there. I don't know. I got some research to do tonight, but I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys wanna win these when we give them away, you have to be following us on both Instagrams. So make sure you go ahead and do that right now, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, stay committed.